assignment and your question, and I figured I would record me finding the concerns. I graded it, and just so you know, if you want to submit it for full points after I do this, you can. But my plan is just to fix it for you and send this to you so you can actually post it everywhere so everyone can learn from this one task. So we have all the assignments here, and it seems like there's just an issue with accounts payable and inventory balances. And let's see, so your report, if I run it for a balance sheet for January, and we have our inventory asset 2,727 or 726. In here, there's a trial balance sheet right here, 4,897. Let's see, 4,897 minus, what year? And I'm just doing this on a calculator on my phone, of 2,726. There's a difference of 21,071. So I don't think there's anything like that in here. That's a clear giveaway. And that's my first test. So that's the first thing I test. Now, if I go to your inventory and AP, so another one's your AP. So again, has to be something that it's associated. It seems like you didn't, or you bought too much of one thing. So where's our accounts payable? Right there, 23,052. So let's see what we have here. Payroll memo, payment memo, purchase order. And I really wish that they had a balance sheet amount. Order memo. A balance sheet amount or the details for inventory, like which inventory asset needs to be what amount, but we don't. So let's figure this out here. I'm guessing it's the same amount here, right? To have 23,052 minus 2881 equals that 2171. So let's go through all of this. There's one, so I'm just actually going to double check this. Yeah, so sometimes it matters how you search for things. But we have the 3,600, we saw that one. We have the 300, and that's a payment memo. And we refund. Let's see how that doesn't do anything. Dang it. SKUs, there's SKUs everywhere. Addresses, 3,300. 300. What's this 300? Miscellaneous expense in the bill. Western Cleaning Services. Now, I mean, It's a payment memo. So there's one thing, like this bill doesn't have to be in here, but it looks like he paid it off anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Western Cleaning Services. I'm curious, did it say there's, or did you just clear that off at January 31st because you reconciled against the bank? Is that, some of these dates are funny. This bill payment check, I'm guessing that's what happened. 3,000, let's go to the next one. 3,435, that's there. They paid a portion of that, I'm assuming it's down here. Split. $17,000, that's the truck, right? Yeah, that's the truck. Take too much. Let's check these payments out. The payments will matter as well, obviously. So there's one payment. 3,528. There's another payment. 72. What's this payment? Is that a vendor credit? Okay, those are vendor credits to reduce the other ones to get it down to the right payment. So that makes sense. Seems associated with this one. That $20 vendor credit. So let's look at 3435. So order memos. Okay, so here's an order memo. Our first one, January 3rd, for 3,600. We have the 3,600. Let's go to next order memo, 3434. Yeah, we have that one. We have this order memo. We have 2535. Yeah, 2536. We have this one, 180. What is this 180 order memo? Heptelco, January 21st. January 21st. So there's one. I'm guessing needs to be added. So let's make a note of that. January 21st. Next one, 750, January 21st. I'm not seeing that one. Just because it's not in the bank rec doesn't mean we don't have to put it in as a bill, because that's your accounts payable. So there's January 21st, 180. And then the next one for 750. Because it's not going to affect your cash, which is fine. And then 246. Did we do this one? 246 is there on January 24th. 25th, that's fine. January 27th for 1241. I don't see that one either. 1241. And that seems to be it. So what are those three added together? So we have 180 plus 750 plus 1241 equals 2171. So that's where you're missing. You're missing page 36 right here where it says page 39. You're missing, not that one, page 33, page 30 in the PDF, page 33 on the page numbers, and page 29, page 32 in here. So those are the three things you're missing from your account. So go in, add those back in, rerun your reports, and you can upload them, and I'll regrade it once you get that all added back in. I hope that all makes sense. I hope what you're seeing makes sense. And then we can get your financials back into order so we can start February.